Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: Which bank was the first public sector bank to be nationalized in India? Answer B. State Bank of India. Question: In which year were the first 14 major private banks nationalized by the Indian government? Answer A. 1969. Question: Which of the following is a private sector bank in India? Answer B. ICICI Bank. Question: What is the main difference between public sector banks and private sector banks in India? Answer A. Ownership by government. Question: Which public sector bank is the largest in India by assets? Answer B. State Bank of India. Question: Which bank was the first private sector bank in India to receive a license under the Banking Regulation Act, 1949 after liberalization? Answer A. HDFC Bank. Question: What is the primary regulator of all banks in India, both public and private? Answer B. RBI. Question: Which of the following public sector banks was merged into the State Bank of India in recent restructuring? Answer B. State Bank of Hyderabad. Question: Which private sector bank was founded by the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI, in 1994? Answer A. ICICI Bank. Question: Which public sector bank is known for pioneering the concept of regional rural banks, RRBs, in India? Answer A. State Bank of India. Question: Which public sector bank was the first to introduce the concept of ATM in India? Answer B. State Bank of India. Question: Which private sector bank is known for its early adoption of digital banking and mobile banking services in India? Answer C. HDFC Bank. Question: What is the minimum paid-up capital required for a private sector bank to start operations in India? Answer C. 500 crore rupees. Question: Which public sector bank was established in 1906 and later became the largest bank in India? Answer A. Punjab National Bank. Question: Which private sector bank was the first to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE? Answer A. ICICI Bank. Question: Which public sector bank is headquartered in Mumbai and is known for its extensive rural banking network? Answer D. Canara Bank. Question: Which of the following banks is not a public sector bank? Answer B. ICICI Bank. Question: Which act governs the functioning of banks in India, including both public and private sector banks? Answer B. Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Question: What percentage of shares in public sector banks is generally held by the Government of India? Answer B. 74%. Question: Which private sector bank was founded by Uday Kotak in 1985? Answer: A. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Question: Which public sector bank merged with Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India in 2020? Answer: A. Punjab National Bank. Question: Which private sector bank is known for its strong presence in corporate banking and was founded in 1993? Answer: D. Yes Bank. Question: Which public sector bank was nationalized in 1980 along with 6 other banks? Answer: A. Canara Bank. Question: Which of the following is a key objective of nationalizing banks in India? Answer: B. Promoting financial inclusion. Question: Which private sector bank was the first to introduce mobile banking in India? Answer: A. ICICI Bank. Question: Which public sector bank is headquartered in Chennai and was nationalized in 1969? Answer: A. Indian Bank. Question: Which private sector bank was established as a non-banking financial company, NBFC, before becoming a bank? Answer: A. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Question: Which public sector bank is known for its SBI YONO digital banking platform? Answer: A. State Bank of India. Question: Which private sector bank was involved in the largest ever fraud case in Indian banking history in 2018? Answer: C. Punjab National Bank. Question: Which public sector bank is headquartered in Mumbai and was originally established in 1906 as the Bank of Bombay? Answer: A. Bank of India.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.